Join me today as I travel down to Charleston, South Carolina to meet up with a couple of friends. We're doing a work trip, but you know, work trips with friends always turns into a fun trip. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of great food that we're going to be sharing, and I just thought I would share just a little bit of our trip with you. You know these two ladies. If you don't already know them, I'll have them linked below so that you can be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channels. But just join us for the fun. There's a lot of it. Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Before we went to Charleston, we were already looking up great places to eat, and this one came up. This is called Crave, and apparently they have the most award-winning mac and cheese in America. It's been voted best mac and cheese in the USA many times, so we knew we had to try that because that's speaking our language for sure. Jessica and I both ordered the buffalo chicken mac and cheese. So basically what you do is you just order your mac and cheese and then you choose if you want a protein on top, and we chose buffalo chicken. It was delicious. And then Glamber chose to get the shrimp mac and cheese, and she loved hers too.
How you know you're in your 40s? You take all the supplements.
The next morning, I just wanted to kind of give you an overview shot of the living space at our Airbnb, but the next morning we decided to make breakfast. Glamber and I ran to Harris Teeter this morning and we grabbed some chicken sausage, some eggs, some cottage cheese, and coffee creamer. I like to make my own coffee creamer, but when I'm out of town, the only one I really like to get is Chobani. And I do add my coffee creamer to my cup before I add my coffee. I know that's not the popular way to do it, but then I don't have to stir. So I just like to do it that way. Let me know below, how do you do it?
Okay, so let's start with the chicken sausage, which Jess is super excited about chicken sausage.
I love chicken sausage.
Okay, hold on. You know, whenever we come to an Airbnb, though, I really miss all of my pots and pans.
Yeah,
Like,
that's true.
it really makes me miss them.
Okay, I'm just gonna cook half of these.
I feel like Amber has her own cooking show right now, and I have all the cameras set up, and I'm getting every angle.
I'm the producer.
I'm filming for Mandy.
All that you see in my camera
Is Whitney's face.
you see chicken sausage and Whitney.
I mean, she's the queen.
She is the queen.
We got chicken sausage. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I'm sad that Jessica won't eat this.
Yeah. We love this one. They do the same thing.
Huh?
Oh, they don't. Y'all, we cook for a living.
I was trying to figure out how to use it. Oh.
This is different. Okay. I think we're good.
Okay. We're going to cover this pretty gross baking sheet. This ain't my caraway. This is not a drill, y'all. We don't cook on this. But luckily they have some aluminum foil. How you say that? Aluminum what?
Foil.
Foil. I love it.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil is going on there.
My girl made us some homemade sourdough. I'm about to slap some butter on that.
Do we have butter?
Oh, we don't.
I brought a little bit of butter.
I love it.
Of course you did.
Do you know who I am? I ain't leaving home without butter.
Look, and then we also have, I brought these. I got these gifted to me for Christmas, and I haven't opened them yet. So we've got apple cranberry chutney, tangerine strawberry marmalade, and raspberry peach champagne jam. Oh, and we've got some figs bread too. So we've got all this for our sourdough bread. That's a battery.
There's more batteries. There's a light bulb, a Roku remote.
All right, let's just go through the
It
Airbnb
really is a great Airbnb, y'all.
It really is amazing.
Just an egg container. Just
Now, that light bulb would have come in handy that one time we were at that other Airbnb whenever we needed the headlamp.
we won't talk about
I don't
that.
know
B-roll of that.
I'm sorry, B-roll. I don't know if we needed a headlamp, but we needed some sort of flashlight, and what we got was a headlamp that Mandy so graciously wore around so we could see.
It was so good.
They've got such cute dishes. I love these dishes. It's pretty well stocked. Oh, they have another coffee maker up there. That's random.
You gotta make eggs for everybody, apparently.
Look, the fact that you knew this about me, I'm just so proud.
I know what my friends like.
So she said, wait a minute, you like yours hard scrambled, right? I said, yes. So she's going to take hers and Jessica's eggs out and then leave mine in there longer.
We need to talk about this.
What?
Have you ever tried a soft scramble?
Yes.
You can't do it?
No.
Okay, so it's just like the texture thing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It makes me feel like it's still not cooked all the way.
Yeah.
But will I lick the brownie batter bowl? Yes, 100%.
Interesting. See, I was just telling the girls that if you watch my channel, you know I have like a texture issue, and I cannot even eat chicken sausage. Actually, I ate it and I loved it, but once someone told me that it was actually chicken instead of regular sausage, I could not eat another bite, and it was something in my head, and it's because I have a texture issue.
Right.
So I get you.
No, yeah, I can't do it. I've tried it multiple times, many times, and like Stephen will do his eggs like a fried egg, or it'll be kind of runny, like over easy. No. Do you do over easy eggs?
No.
Okay.
I love a salt scramble. I love a fried egg, but there's no in between.
No
for
over
me.
easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, these eggs are special. They have cottage cheese in them.
This is how you get extra protein.
And Whitney is overseeing the entire thing. Similar to apple butter, but a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, there's raisins.
What?
Ooh,
We just found her weakness.
I don't love raisins. You're not gonna eat
Luckily,
the
you
raisins.
can pull that part.
Yeah.
Okay, these are good.
Okay.
How do I turn this on?
Here.
Oh, it was the middle one. Oh. Okay. Look, I'm making messes. Because that's what I do.
You want
Yes,
two or
please.
one?
Yeah, 2. Apple cranberry
Apple
chutney.
cranberry.
Oh, that's what that was. It's cranberries, not raisins.
Oh, I could do cranberries.
Okay.
Oh wow.
So this is our breakfast plate, and that is Glamber being ridiculous. But we mentioned that we were putting chutney on our sourdough, and you see me making a face. I will address that later. We then went to lunch with a friend of ours named Meredith. She helps us with the business side of our YouTube channels. And we went to a place called 5 Loaves. It was delicious. Jessica, Glamber, and I all got half of a sandwich and half a Caesar salad with cheese tortellini on top. And then Meredith got a salad with some grilled salmon on top. After lunch and a little shopping, we stopped for a pick-me-up and we got a little treat at a place called Summit Coffee, which was wonderful.
Okay, so we just got Raising Cane's DoorDashed here. It's been a long day, and we decided we didn't want to go out to dinner.
Or cook.
Yeah, right, or cook, exactly. We had plans to cook, but shocker, we decided not to. So we ordered Raising Cane's. I've never had Raising Cane's. There's not one near me. And I've heard that their sauce is really good. You love their sauce, right?
I've only eaten Raising Cane's once.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do a taste test and see what we think. I think we all got similar things. Pretty sure, right?
I think so.
And I know we all got half and half sweet tea, or sweet unsweet tea. This one has toast. Somebody ordered no toast.
I got extra fries.
Okay.
I did too.
Oh, you did?
I got no slaw, extra fries.
Girl, that's what I'm talking about.
All right. So I don't know whose that is.
And I got extra sauce.
I
Did
did
you?
not get extra sauce.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, there's
The absolute excitement right now.
now there's one of them's big.
Oh.
Who got the box combo?
So, I don't know what I ordered.
I ordered 3.
I think I ordered 3 too.
I thought I ordered 3. But we ain't mad about 5.
Here, I'll take this one.
Okay. I don't. Oh, that must be yours because it has extra.
Okay.
Or an extra sauce.
Yeah.
So, but we need to try this.
Try
Okay.
taste test.
I'm not impressed by the fries.
Okay.
These look like fries that I would.
Limp.
They also traveled though.
They did.
Like in a
True.
plastic container.
True, but
so-
I'm not excited about the fries, but I'm excited about this sauce. So I'm hoping I like it just as much, if not better, than Zach sauce. I love Zach sauce from
Okay.
Zaxby's. Smells good.
Okay. Have you ever had Raising Cane's?
No, man.
What do you think of the sauce?
I love the sauce.
Okay.
Oh, do you? All right. Let's see.
Give us your best Steven impression.
Oh, gosh. Wow.
Baby, that's got some flavor on it. Oh,
That is good.
I can taste the garlic in that. Tell me this is not him.
I love how southern y'all both just became.
Is that not him? Wait. Man, I gotta get another bite.
I like it,
Okay.
But I like Zach's sauce better.
Oh my goodness gracious.
This, Zach's wins.
Okay, but hear me out. Their chicken quality at Raising Cane's, the chicken tender itself, is way better than Zaxby's.
Better than Zaxby's. I will agree with that. Zaxby's, a lot of times I feel like overcooks their chicken, so it's almost too hard.
Yeah.
But this, I like the breading. I do like this.
Okay.
But as far as the sauce, I wish I had Zach's sauce.
So the interesting thing about Raising Cane's is they have their sauce and ketchup. You don't have another option. There's not like a ranch or honey mustard.
Honey mustard, nothing. You can't?
You get cane sauce or ketchup.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, I did not know
So
that.
they believe in their sauce.
I mean, it's good. I ain't mad at it, but it ain't as good as my Zach sauce, so.
Okay, there you have it.
Okay. Bye. Good morning. It is, what is today? Thursday? Yes. We are going home today. This morning, I sliced up some sourdough that Glamber graciously made for us and popped it into the oven. And I'm putting on some of the raspberry peach champagne jam. Yesterday, a little note from yesterday. We put on the apple cranberry, what was it called? Chutney? Apparently, I'm guessing, a chutney is a more savory thing for like dinner time and not breakfast. It wasn't like a jam. So it was very shocking, jarring to put that in our mouths along with breakfast. It was good, but it wasn't the appropriate time for it. So we've opened up the raspberry peach champagne jam today. I'm guessing this is pieces of peach that's in there, which I don't hate.
After that, we were about to leave town, and before leaving town, we decided we need to fuel up on good food and good coffee. So we stopped by this place called Vintage Coffee, and it did not disappoint. Their food was amazing. I can't remember what exactly it was that I ordered, but it had fried prosciutto on there, a fried egg, and it also had some Dijonnaise that they made, which was delicious. All three of us loved our meals, and it was the perfect thing for when you're about to hit the road. And I just realized I never closed out the video. Right after that, we went and got gas, and that was a whole debacle in and of itself. The first gas station we stopped at, the gas was pumping so slow, I pumped for 3 minutes and got 94 cents worth of gas. So we had to leave there and go find another gas station. And I was very, very low. I had 30-something miles left until empty. So I was a little nervous about that, but we made it through. And then we were able to drive home, and we just had the best time together. It was too short, but we needed to get home to our families. But I hope you enjoyed this little vlog that we did, mainly showing you the food, but also the good time that was had. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to not only my channel, but to Jessica's channel and also to Glamber. I call her Glamber. Her name is Amber. She has a channel called Feeding the Birds. I will link both of their channels below in the description box, so make sure that you're subscribed to both of them. Thank y'all for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye.